Technology is amazing. It changes so fast. One of the most exciting areas is AI. It's making things possible that we once thought were impossible, like telepathy. Imagine talking to someone without speaking, just using your mind. This is the future that AI is creating. We are entering a new era of communication. This is thanks to mind-reading apps. These apps use AI to understand our thoughts. This technology can change the world. It can change how we connect with each other and with machines. This technology is still developing, but it's advancing quickly. Companies like Neuralink are leading the way. They are developing brain-computer interfaces. These interfaces can read our brain signals, and they can translate those signals into actions. This is just the beginning. The future of communication is full of exciting possibilities. Are you ready to explore this new world with us?
Neuralink is a company founded by Elon Musk. They are working on incredible technology. Their goal is to connect our brains to computers. How do they do this? By using tiny chips implanted in the brain. These chips are amazing. They can decode brain signals. This means they can understand what our brains are trying to do, and they can translate those signals into actions. One example of this is Noland Arbaugh. He is a quadriplegic patient. Neuralink's technology allowed him to play chess. He did this just by thinking about his moves. The chip in his brain understood his thoughts, and it translated those thoughts into actions on the chessboard. This is just one example of what Neuralink can do. Their technology has the potential to revolutionize many fields. Healthcare is one. Communication is another. Imagine controlling your devices with your mind. This is the future that Neuralink is working towards.
Imagine speaking without opening your mouth. This is the idea behind Mind Speech. It's an AI model that can decode imagined speech. It's non-invasive, which means it doesn't require surgery. Mind Speech uses a special headset. The headset picks up brain activity. Then, the AI model analyzes this activity. It can tell what words and phrases the person is